It's been months since the zombie outbreak happened, and I'm almost out of supplies. I don't know if I'll be able to fend off a horde this big with only a few arrows and a golden sword. So I suppose it's finally come to this. I'll have to use these specially made grenades. They fool an enemy into thinking they're snowballs until it hits them. So I've spent a few minutes fixing up the mess I made in the world during the intro, and by fixing up, of course, I mean covering up. And now I'm ready to start the video and show you how to make these grenades. So the first thing you're going to want to do is actually get the grenade item, which is just a snowball. So what you're going to do is you're going to paste in this command, which I'll have in the video description. Basically what it does is it gives you a snowball with a tag, with a grenade tag, and basically some display stuff. And the grenade tag is what we're going to be using to tell if the player is holding a snowball or a grenade. So what we need to do is we need to let the game know if a snowball the player throws is a grenade or just a normal snowball. So what we're going to do is we're going to create two new scoreboard variables. So we'll do /scoreboard objectives, add grenade dummy, and we'll add another one, and it's going to be called grenadeLastTick. So what we'll do is we'll have a command block, and in this command block we'll do /execute as @a, and we'll do nbt equals, let's see, I'm a little rusty on my nbt data, so nbt equals selected item tag grenade 1b. Say I am holding a grenade. So let's see if this works. Okay, great. So we'll do run scoreboard players set as grenade 1. And we'll copy this command and we'll set this to chain, and we will do as @a unless entity @s. Run scoreboard player set as grenade 0. So if I do /scoreboard players get @s grenade, it'll be 0, but if I hold the grenade, it'll change to 1. So we also need to set up our other scoreboard variable, which is grenadeLastTick. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a command block behind the first one, and I'll do /execute as @a run scoreboard players operation @s grenadeLastTick equals @s grenade. So we'll set that to repeat, always active, set this to chain, and now let's do /scoreboard objectives set display sidebar grenadeLastTick. So it's kind of hard to notice, but this grenadeLastTick variable is being set 1/20th of a second after the player holds the grenade. So it's basically delayed. So what this is going to do is it should hopefully prevent the player from sword swapping, so they don't just throw a snowball and the game thinks it's a grenade. So what we'll do next is we're going to place down a command block starting a new command chain, and we'll type in /execute as @a scores equals grenadeLastTick equals 1 @s as @e type equals snowball, distance equals 2 or less, run tag @s add grenade. We'll set that to repeat, always active, and now we'll have a debug command. So do /execute as @e tag equals grenade, run say I am a grenade. Set that to chain, always active. If we throw this, it should, yep. Okay, so we can remove this. And now the final thing to do is to make it explode. So what we also have to do is we'll have to do /execute as @e tag equals grenade, tag does not equal, let's call this summoned @s run summon marker at its position, tags grenadeManager. So what this should do is it'll summon a marker that will, so this is going to summon a marker that will teleport to the grenade, and it'll basically check if the grenade has hit something. Do /tag @e tag equals grenade add summoned. Set that to chain, always active. Now if we throw a grenade, /kill @e type equals marker. We should only kill one marker. Or, oh, it's because I left a space. Yeah, that works. So we have to make the marker teleport to the grenade. So we'll add a new command chain, and we'll type /execute as @e tag equals grenadeManager @ls run teleport s at e tag equals grenade limit equals 1, sort equals nearest, or set that to repeat. So if we throw this and then teleport ourselves to the marker by doing / teleport at s at e type equals marker limit equals 1. Yep, we teleport to where the snowball landed. So we'll do / execute as at e tag equals grenadeManager at s if entity or unless entity at e tag equals grenade distance equals 1 or less, then we can assume that the snowball landed. And we'll do run say landed. So set that to chain, always active, and we will kill the marker, and if we throw a new one, it will say landed. So we can copy this command, and we will place a copy, and we'll kill the marker. So now it should only do that once. And the final thing we have to do is we're going to edit this middle command block. And instead of saying landed, we are going to summon a creeper at its position with a fuse of 0, which will make it explode instantly, and an explosion radius of 10. So now if we throw this, it'll explode. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, like if you liked the video, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll see you guys next time.